And I am like shaking literally. Can you guys see that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Lexmi. As you guys can tell by the title that today's video is going to be about unboxing my new phone, which is iPhone 12. Is it Max Pro or Pro Max? I think it's Pro Max. It's a gift from my family because I needed to upgrade my phone. Not really upgrade because I have got iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I have only got like 64 gig and I flame using this phone, so I needed like more storage because it always runs out of storage. So yeah, nothing is coming in my mind because I'm like so excited. So I just want to clear that I'm not like like tech person, like I'm not like technology, like I don't know much about it. Yeah, don't expect a lot from me. I'm just going to be unboxing it and then like setting up and probably like comparing like photos between like iPhone 11 and 12. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Ta-da! Look at this. Like, so look at this packaging. It's not like thick, than the usual ones. It used to be like really big. Just a second, I think I have got like the old one. I'll show you guys. This is like iPhone 11 Pro Max package, like and look at that. It's, I think, half of it, I suppose. And please ignore like the background noises. It's like really windy in Palmy. So it's always windy in Palmy. That satisfying moment is going to begin now. Oops. Fail. Okay, so that's done. Oh my god. So I don't know, like okay, let's see. And I am like shaking literally. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, I'm that excited today. Like I have been shaking like since morning, Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it. Okay, so that's how it looks, and that is the back of it. I'm gonna put it aside. And I don't like a few things about it, like about like this iPhone 12. So first thing is like it only comes with cable, no adapter, and there is no earphone. They have got this thing, like packaging thing, like designed by Apple in California. It has like Apple logo, and then like instruction, and this thing to put your SIM card, and then like to take it out. I don't know what people does with this sticker because I have never used it. Never. I put this back in here. I can't take this one out, so that means there's nothing. That's it, guys. You can go back here. Okay, so this phone that I have got is in silver color, but that doesn't look like silver, like in real, and also I think like in camera it doesn't look like silver. Yeah, it looks like white. That's the reason I got this phone, like in silver. So the phone that I am using right now, iPhone 11, is like in midnight green. This one is in silver color, which doesn't look like silver. I get this in 256. Is it 256 gig? I think so. Yeah, it's 256. Look at this, like the front thing. It used to be like clear, like clear plastic thing. I think so. I don't really remember, like I don't have that good memory, but it is like white paper. It has got like these things, it says like power. There's power on right side, and then like the vibrating button on the side, and like plus and minus sign like for your sound. So yeah, now let's do another satisfying moment, which is taking out this one. Do you want to hear that? Ooh, you guys could see from there. Me flaming. Ooh, look at that. How pretty is it? Okay, I didn't really want it to touch like the side of it, but yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like here, and so this is my like old phone, like recent one, let's not say it old. And you guys can see my nephew here, my sister's son. He's so cute. He is so cute. Look at that. Okay, that's like little distraction. That's gonna go there. And now I'm gonna turn on the phone. Ooh, you can see the logo. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna select English. That's New Zealand, and it's setting language, and I'll go for quick setup. To do a quick start, you have to turn on your Bluetooth, and then like on your like old phone, you will get this thing like set up your new iPhone, and I'm gonna do like continue. Okay, so now, oh my god, this is like new to me, you know. It's like, it's so cool. So now you have to hold your new phone. This is how, ta-da. And now it says like enter passcode of your other phone, which I'm not gonna show you guys, it's a secret. I haven't got like any accessories for it, you know, like no screen protector, no phone case. I'm gonna go get that afterwards. Like I'm gonna go to the plaza. And it says Face ID, so continue. Okay, so yeah, yay, it's done. And it is done. So it says like transfer from iPhone and then download from iCloud. So I'm gonna go like transfer from iPhone. I don't know how long this is gonna take. So now it says like terms and conditions, so I have to agree that, otherwise I wouldn't be able to use this phone. I think so. And enable location services, I'm gonna click that. I am gonna click set up later in wallet, and Siri, I will set this up later. And iPhone analytic, no, don't share. Okay, so now it's transferring data. For some reason I forgot to like record the video, and here you go, like my new phone, and this is the old one. Look, they look exactly same. And so that apps are like downloading, it's taking time. I think it's gonna take like few minutes, so I'm gonna wait for that. While waiting for that, I'm gonna take out my SIM from here and then like put it here. Okay, so that's my SIM. Well, I'm gonna take, okay, so it's still downloading like few apps. So it's downloading iMovie, and it's downloading Subtagger app. Now I am gonna put my SIM here with me, and now it goes in there. I'll show you guys like just one picture that's taken from like this phone and the other one, and let's take photo from here. Photo quality is like bit warmer in iPhone 12 than iPhone 11. And now I'm going to the plaza to get accessories for this phone, like a phone case and then screen protector, which is like most. I always get my screen protector done here. So I got a clear phone case. Thank you so much for watching this like boring kind of video. I actually love like watching like unboxing like kind of videos, so I thought like why not. That's why I filmed this video. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye.